What would you do if I told you that the real story behind this bear market decline over the last 2 weeks wasn't the coronavirus, it wasn't plunging oil prices, it's something else? That's what I'm going to try to convince you of in this latest episode of Street View. Yesterday was Monday. You know, the circuit breaker, plunging oil prices, coronavirus infected 7% decline for the S&P 500. Lots of fear, lots of panic, near borderline panic everywhere. But what I want to do is offer you a slightly different perspective. What if I told you that I thought the real story of the big decline we had yesterday, but also this bear market, near bear market decline we've had over the last 2 weeks, that it wasn't about the coronavirus, or it wasn't really about plunging oil prices. Now those were triggers, no doubt about it, those were triggers. After this 19% decline, this almost bear market decline, the market has fallen all the way back to prices last seen, wait for it, 2019. 2019, that's only a year ago. Like, we're not talking it fall back years of value, we're talking about months of value. The most important element of any correction, any of them, is not where it ends, but rather where it starts. At the start of 2019, up until about all-time highs a few weeks ago, the market was on a tear. And in fact, it was up almost 35% in 13 months. 35%, that is crazy growth. Now, it probably got a little bit over its skis. And what happens is it was waiting for some negative catalyst, any negative catalyst. It just so happened to be coronavirus, but it could have been anything that actually then began to move this overextended market to then move into a more healthy-oriented correction. Look, bear markets without a recession, those are relatively common. And it usually ends right about where it is now, and that is a decline of about 20% or so. Maybe the real story is as simple as this. A market rose 35% over the last 13 months, and over the last few weeks, it gave about half of those gains back. That doesn't sound quite as scary as coronavirus and plunging oil prices, does it? Thanks for listening.